Dear Honorable Sir, uh, now I show you how to I use Apollo software. Uh, Apollo software to how to I collect lead generation. Just I show you. That's why I make a small video. Please continue me. Continue with us. Thank you very much. Just I at first I go to my Apollo. This is Apollo dashboard, and I want these leads. Here to I copy this column A, B, C, D until first name, last name, title, and company name. I take this four uh, source and this copy, and I go to Apollo and I go to Apollo search bar. I paste here, and then enter. After coming my access, I go to access email coming. After I go to here and direct call. Then here two mobile phone coming on personal phone number and second headquarter. My need this bare requirement is personal phone number. That's why I take copy this phone number copy, and I go to my sheet and here I paste here this personal number. This no need plus icon. I remove here and here paste. This is a lead generation work. If you want like this work, can contact with me. Thank you very much. I continue again someone lead collection, personal phone number collection. Go to Apollo and I here search. I go to here and go to phone request and request direct dial. Coming ready my here no number found. Try again later. So no need try again later. This may be here for some problem. Here already coming. You see headquarter number coming, but I don't want this number. I want personal number. That's why I go to again my here my sheet Excel spreadsheet, and here I copy and again I go to my Apollo paste here and enter. Request dial. See here this data to from I collect two phone number, one headquarter number on direct call. So my need this number, this via requirement personal number. That's why I this number copy and I go to here my sheet and uh, again here paste. See like this I collect all phone number. We have a group wise, we are working group wise. That's why here Ankon, Upol, this is my Manna, this all worker name, right? uh, Here Upol, see Shushmi, we are a very good team. We are working team wise. That's why our total team member is I show you 24 participant. So we working 24 participant a team, very good, hard worker we are. So if you need to help, please call me. I can help you. I can work for you any types of work. If you want email, uh, phone number, headquarter phone number, website number, anything if you want, I can give you, no problem. Thank you very much.